Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. Today I am going to be reviewing the Kybrow kit in the color dark brown, and I'm also going to be reviewing the matte brow highlighter. So before I get into that, I'm going to be announcing my first ever Day with Phae giveaway. What's up? Woohoo! So for the next few seconds I'm going to be talking about the giveaway, but if you skip to this, I will start talking about the Kybrow kit. Right now, I am giving away a brand new sweater weather lip kit. Unopened, all that jazz, ready for you. This sold out, but I got one for you guys. And here is how you enter. Step number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. This is a thank you giveaway to my subscribers, and I will be checking. Step number 2, go into the comments down below. I want to know a little bit about yourself, so tell me your name, where you live, a little fun fact about yourself, whatever you want to do. That's it. It is that simple. Side note, I also wanted to say that I'm doing another giveaway on my Instagram channel, and this is for the Kylie lip kit, which is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. All you gotta do is go to this picture on my Instagram and follow the directions in the caption. You got 2 ways to win, something free, it doesn't hurt to try. I'm gonna be giving you guys a week to enter. Entering will close exactly like a week from now. Details are in the bio below. This is no way affiliated with Kylie Cosmetics or anything like that. This is just a Day with Phae thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. On to the Kybrow review. Okay, so in the Kybrow kit, you get a Kybrow Pomade, you get a Kybrow Pencil, a Kybrow Brush, and a Kybrow Extreme Brow Gel. Now, I got this in the shade dark brown because I have really dark hair, so I hope that that was the right color for myself, because otherwise it's going to be a really awkward video. But I think I'm good. And I also got the brow highlight. I got the matte one. So let's talk about the packaging. I think the packaging is super beautiful. I am a huge fan of the millennial pink. That's like what I call this and other people call this kind of color. I love the pale pink look. It's very girly, very like reminiscent of like Barbie times, but like Barbie pink 2.0, where it's not like in your face and super neon. I love it. I think that this box is beautiful. I also like how much it comes with this kit. This is the perfect kit for your eyebrows. It's like all you need. I mean, it doesn't include the duo brow colors, but personally I never have done my brows that way, so I was okay with that. And it also doesn't include the highlights. So the brow pomade is $16 and it's 0.15 ounces. So let me just do a cost comparison to a really popular brow pomade, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade retails for $18 and this is for 0.14 ounces. So this is more ounces and less money, which was different to the powder. The setting powder, which was way more cost effective to do the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but this one you get more bang for your buck. That's cool. Let's add up everything together and see how much you save with the kit. The Kybrow pomade is, as we said, $16. The Kybrow brush is $10. The Kybrow Extreme Hold Gel is $16 and the Kybrow Pencil is $14. So that comes to a total of $56. And if you buy this as a kit, it's $45, which is a savings of $11. I think that this kit is a wonderful price for everything that it comes with. So let's get cracking. We're gonna put it on my face and then I am going to wear this all day. I'm gonna do a intense workout in it to see how much it holds, you know what I mean? Because That's gonna be the biggest test. If it can survive that, it can survive anything. Let's go. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna do more of a natural look on one side that just uses the pencil, and the highlight's gonna go on both. This side's gonna be just pencil and gel, and this side is gonna be pomade and gel. First things first, I gotta spoolie out my eyebrows because they are a mess and I wanna set myself up for success. So now I get my eyebrows waxed every 4 weeks, and I think I got them waxed like about less than a week ago. So they're in a pretty good shape. And now I'm gonna focus on this side and do my pencil. So now I'm moving on to the pencil, and I just wanna comment that I like that this is clear. Just aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. Hopefully I don't lose it because it's clear, but I like how it looks. This is definitely more of a natural look. I am definitely more of a natural look kind of vibe kind of girl. So on this side, compared to my bare side, this is definitely much more filled in and more of a natural look. I want to comment real quickly that I felt like this spoolie right here was really good at blending the product. Sometimes when I've experienced using brow products in the past, especially brow pencils, I feel like the product just doesn't transfer onto my skin for whatever reason. But I am really liking how this one looks, and I think it's perfect for a natural kind of vibe. I will be placing the Extreme Hold Gel, but I'm gonna be doing that towards the end. All right, so now the biggest moment of truth, super scared because pomades are intense. And I will do them when I'm going somewhere, I'm trying to like look cute for a date or anything like of that nature. So the key to this, in my experience, is just to be really gentle. And I'm gonna put that on this side. Basically, the thing that I really like about this kit is that you have an option to do something dramatic, or you have an option to do something natural. Whatever you want is just in that kit, so super good. Now on to the pomade. Leave it to me. I can definitely make a pomade, which sometimes can look super dramatic, to look natural as well. So in terms of difference, I really just think it's like your preference of what kind of material you want to go. I feel like the pomade is much easier to build upon, but like I said, it could get very dramatic very fast unless you're super light with it, which is where I always tend to caution towards. I think that the pencil one is super easy in terms of quickness. I definitely feel like the pomade side is much more filled in than the pencil side, and when I look very closely, honestly, I was about to say that the pencil side is more natural, but I think they both look pretty natural and they both mimic my natural hair texture very well, which is awesome and super exciting. And also using this brush was super easy. It felt perfect. I have no complaints whatsoever. So now I'm gonna put the gel on, basically because this is clear. It's not like a tinted gel or anything like Glossier. This is more to hold everything in place and also to kind of add a little bit of a more texturized look to kind of like enhance the hair texture to your face. So far, I'm a huge fan of the consistency of everything. I think that, like I said, usually the brow pencil in general for me, they don't stick on my skin, but this like glide beautifully. I felt like this was like a very creamy formula as well, and definitely not like anything that would dry me out. so far. It's just kind of how I'm feeling. So I think that this is a hit. So far, I'll definitely check it out with you guys at the end to see how it is after my day. Now I'm going to move on to the highlighter. Again, I only got the matte one instead of the shimmer just because that's kind of the look that I prefer. But what's cool about this is like it's a little 2-in-1 in terms of that on the end cap of it, there is a little sharpener for your highlight stick. Less is more, you don't want it to look too cakey. I'm just gonna put it under my arch just to clean up the eyebrow look even more.
And when I'm in my head, I lift it up instead. We gotta beat the game. Where my girls at tonight? Learning to trust ourselves, cause we are schooling life. We gotta beat the game. Where my girls at tonight? Learning to trust ourselves. That's all we need in life.
So my final thoughts, obviously this doesn't include like the product longevity of it all, which will be included in the end of the video. But my final thoughts so far of everything, I am obsessed. I think that this is a really good brow collection. I'm super impressed. I didn't know what to think because it's like a brand new product, but I love the brow line and I definitely think that you should get your hands on the kit as soon as it restocks because I'm sure it's going to restock. I just think that it is such a good bang for your buck and I really think that this is all you need for a brow look. And I think that it does the natural look good either way. It's kind of more of which way do you prefer to apply, and obviously I'm sure you can make this even more intense, but that's just not my style. But let's hear my absolute final thoughts on the longevity of the product. Okay, so I just finished working out. I did my cardio, did some Pilates, did that for about an hour, got my sweat on. It's towards the end of the night, but as you can see, my eyebrows are still on fleek. They still look extremely nice. I am extremely impressed and I give this a thumbs up. Okay guys, so that concludes my video. Make sure to enter the giveaway if you haven't already. If it has passed, the winner is going to be in my bio below. It will be announced. Also go to my Instagram because there is a giveaway on there too. I hope that this was super informational for you guys, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up. I always really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you gotta do is click my face right here. Or you can watch some of my other Kylie videos that are also really informational. I hope you guys sincerely have a great rest of your day. Bye.